Hello and welcome to BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. Glad you're here. On this show, we explore the BodyMaitre 4-body system, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, and how hidden elements and stuck patterns show up in everyday life. By using dowsing and simple practices, we learn how to notice, clear, and transform those blocks. Today, we're talking about something many people overlook, but that quietly shapes our energy: space clutter in Feng Shui. And I'll share a real client case where the pendulum pointed to space clutter and the deeper effects it created. First, a quick simple definition: space clutter is more than mess. In Feng Shui terms, it's anything in your environment that creates stagnant energy. Items that don't move, are unused, or pile up so energy can't flow freely. It can be physical: boxes, piles, old clothes; digital: unread emails, unorganized folders; or even symbolic: old gifts, reminders of past relationships. When qi can't move, people often feel heavier, distracted, and depleted, sometimes without consciously knowing the reason. Clutter also links into your 4 bodies. It can dull spiritual clarity, scatter the mind, weigh on emotions, and create physical lethargy or health issues. Let me share one client's case. During a dowsing session, the pendulum pointed to space clutter, level in the spiritual body. I asked a follow-up: any further detail? The pendulum then pointed to being trapped in the physical body. What that told us: the client had space clutter that wasn't just surface level mess. It had manifested trapped energies both in his outer environment and in his inner field. In other words, the clutter was creating pockets of stuck qi that translated into feelings and life patterns of being trapped, especially noticeable in his health, career, and finances. Concretely, he reported feeling physically sluggish, like he couldn't get momentum. He described being stuck in a job that wasn't advancing and constant small financial leaks. The dowsing pointed to a direct energetic link. When the environment holds stuck energy, the body and life follow suit. Let's break down how that trapped clutter showed up for him, and how similar patterns tend to appear for others. Spiritual body. The pendulum flagged space clutter at the spiritual level. This means blocked access to intuition, a cloudy sense of purpose, or feeling disconnected from your guidance. For the client, it felt like a dimming of inner compass and less synchronicity. Mental body. Clutter creates scattered attention and decision fatigue. He found it hard to concentrate, procrastinated on important tasks, and frequently changed his mind about priorities. Emotional body. Stuck energy feeds emotional heaviness, irritation, low mood, or small angers that grow into resentment. He felt emotionally deflated and had low enthusiasm for projects he used to enjoy. Physical body. The follow-up result, being trapped in the physical body, showed up as low energy, minor chronic aches, poor sleep, and a sense that the body couldn't move into new opportunities. He also reported slowed recovery from illness in life outcomes. These translated into stalled career moves, missed opportunities, and a general pattern of feeling stuck financially, not because of a lack of skill, but because the energetic field was creating friction. Here are practical, gentle steps you or a client can take to clear space clutter and shift the trapped energy across the 4 bodies. These are BodyMaitre friendly and easy to offer as client homework. 1. Surface clear, physical. Start small. Clear a single area for 10 to 20 minutes, a desk corner, bedside table. Remove anything broken, expired, or unused. Physical movement creates immediate energetic shifts. 2. Pendulum space scan, spiritual. Use a pendulum to scan rooms and corners for stuck zones. Call in higher guidance or angels if you are BodyMaitre practitioners. Call CAT, your collective angelic team, and ask to transmute or remove lower frequency imprints. A short clearing statement works. I invite light to clear and transmute all stuck energies in this space. 3. Symbolic release, emotional. Invite clients to journal about items that evoke stuck stories. Do a ritual of gratitude and release. Thank the object for its past service, then let it go. This helps release emotional attachments. 4. Focus and structure, mental. Create simple organizing rules, a 3-item rule for surfaces, or a 1-touch rule for mail. Structure reduces overwhelm and trains the mind to stay present. 5. Grounding and movement, physical plus spiritual. Encourage daily grounding. It's walking barefoot, stretching, or short breath work. Movement helps the body dislodge trapped energy and restore circulation. 6. Wealth and career symbol. Reset for finances, clear the area where bills or financial documents live. Replace tattered receipts or disorganized accounts with a tidy binder or digital folder labeled clearly for receipts, income, bills, to symbolically open flow. 7. Follow up dowsing. After clearing, recheck with the pendulum. Often the client will feel an immediate lightening. If not, repeat or deepen the clearing, e.g., call in more angelic assistance or schedule a fuller BodyMaitre session. Practical tip: encourage tiny, consistent actions rather than one massive purge. Small daily progress changes the field sustainably. Now reflect with me. Have you noticed an area in your home or your digital life that feels heavy or like it drains your energy? Which room or corner makes you pause when you enter it? Try these questions and jot quick answers. Where do I feel stuck in my life right now? Health, money, or relationships? What physical space might be mirroring that stuckness? If I cleared one small area this week, what shift might I invite? The big takeaway: space clutter is energetic. When physical spaces hold stagnant stuff, they create trapped energies that ripple into the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies, and eventually show up as stuck health patterns, career stalls, or financial friction. Clearing is both practical and symbolic. It clears dust and also clears old imprints. If you try one thing this week, clear one small space, do a short pendulum space scan, or journal about what you're ready to release, you'll send a clear signal to your field that you're ready for movement. Thank you for listening to Derek's BodyMaitre podcast. I hope this case study helped you see how environment and inner life are linked. Keep exploring your four bodies with curiosity and compassion. And remember, sometimes a little tidy corner opens a big doorway. Until next time, take gentle action and be kind to yourself.